All right, guys, so check this out. You see this behind me? All of this cleared out land back here. If you are interested in acquiring property and getting that property cleared, and I know a lot of people are dealing with these issues because you have one hurdle, which is just simply to get the property. But in many cases, the bigger hurdle is to actually set up the property. And one of the first things that you're going to have to deal with is getting that land cleared. So walk with me. Let me help you guys out with something. For those of you that want to get your property cleared and you're looking at this big, huge mountain of a cost, understand that there are strategies and there are avenues that you can take to actually minimize the cost of this, to bring it down. I'm not going to say to nothing, but at least right next door to nothing. Step number one, get your phones out, put in your notes. You don't want to forget this. Go to your local FSA office. If you don't know what it is, Google it. Every county has one. Go to your local FSA office and ask for a farm number. They need to get you a farm number. From there, you want to go over to your local USDA, NRCS office, NRCS. Make sure you put this in your phone. NRCS. It is a part of the United States Department of Agriculture. They have different grants. They have different programs. Inside of these different grants, there are different numbers. There is a program for brush management. Now, why am I saying brush when you have a whole forest full of trees? I'm gonna get there in a second. Make sure that you get a brush management grant. Don't let them tell you it's not available. It is available. It's your money from your government. You have access to it. Now, let's go all the way back. What you want to do is find a consulting forester. A consulting forester, this is step 3. A consulting forester is someone that will come out and take inventory. You see this line of timber back here? We haven't removed it. We're probably not going to remove it. We like to hunt. We like to fish. We like to do all of those things. But nevertheless, a consulting forester is someone that will do what they call a timber cruise, which is simply them coming out to take inventory of all of the timber on your property. Every stick, every twig, every branch, every leaf. It has a marketable value. Once they assess what that marketable value is, that consultant forester will send that ticket off for bids with your particular plot of land, meaning that different timber companies will bid on this property, and it's all going to come together here in a second. Let's just say they offer $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 in timber. That consultant forester will take a percentage, but that way you're not getting screwed by the timber companies because you have someone that has been inside of the industry that will hold them accountable to the pricing. Let's just say a timber company takes the bid, they come out, they clear the timber. Now you have a bunch of stumps, a bunch of slash, and a bunch of brush on your property. Next, you put that money in your pocket temporarily. But you remember I told you to get that farm number and then go over to the NRCS department. Well, that grant that you signed up for the brush management, now they're going to pay you to remove all of the brush off of your property. So here's the beautiful part. You can either hire someone like a forestry mulcher. What we did a combination of a couple of different things. Check this out. I see this machine right here. This is a CAT D4K2 dozer. Don't worry about my greenhouse. The wind blew it over. Whole nother conversation. This dozer right here is what I did to clear all of this out, do a lot of the rough grading, etc., etc. So now your property is literally putting money in your pocket. The timber put money in your pocket. The NRCS put money in your pocket. Here's the beautiful thing. Now that you have that farm number, you can go back to the NRCS and they'll actually cover up to 90% of the fencing on your property. What I'm saying is there are programs out there to help you establish these properties. It's crazy times that we're living in the world. We're seeing wars pop off all over the place. There has never been a more important time than now to start thinking about self-sustainability. If you guys like the information that you receive here on this channel, make sure that you go down to the comment section. I will drop a comment down there and you join us for the 40 Acre Comeback Summit. At this event, we go over rural development, we go over agriculture, and most importantly, we go over different tips, tricks, and strategies on how to acquire these properties. You get to learn from the actual farmers and the ranchers. You also get to learn from the experts inside of real estate. This is a 2-day event, the most informative event that will be taking place the rest of the year. It is essential with what's going on right now that you make sure that you get this information. This event is sponsored by Andrew Jordan Services, AJ Farms. This is the 40 Acre Comeback. I'll see you guys this year at the 40 Acre Comeback Summit. I'll drop a link below. I'll see you guys there. Let's get this land. Let's get these properties. Claim the land. Build the village.